Good morning, student. Dear student, in your previous class we had completed your problem set 9C. Now in this class we will discuss about of the three-dimensional shapes. What is the three dimensions? A shape in which length, breadth and height. Three-dimensional shape is that shape in which length, width and height. With length, width and height. This type of the shape we cannot draw on the plane figure. We cannot draw on the plane figure. Exactly we cannot show on the plane figure. So the shape, the solid shape, a solid shape in which length, breadth and height. Suppose this, the box of the chalk. This is the box of the chalk. It is a three-dimensional shape because here length, here is, you can see it is length, it is height and it is also a breadth. It is also a breadth. So this is a three-dimensional shape. This is a three-dimensional shape. Here this is a chalk. A chalk has the 3D shape because it is the height, it is the breadth, it is the length also. Your book are in tipping box. That is tipping box. Here, this is the three-dimensional shape. In this is the length, and this is the breadth, and this is the height. So it is the 3D shape. It is called the cuboid. So we discuss in this class the sum shapes of the 3D. So in first we discuss cube. A cube has, first we discuss what of the cube. A cube has 6 faces. Six faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. A cube has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. So what are the faces? We have the face. What will be the face? A cube has the 12. The plane shape which is shown, this is the face. Face of the cube. It is the shape of the cube. This is the face of the cube. One face. This is two face, three face, four face. And here the one on the top, that is 5, and one is the bottom. So there are 6 faces. There are 6 faces. The solid are plane curved figure. What are the faces? First we discuss about of the faces. In the faces, in the three-dimensional figure or solid may have plane or curved surface. Plane or curved surface are called faces. In the case of cube, this is the plane surface, it is plane. In the case of cylinder, this is the curved surface, the rounded face. This is the curved face. So the plane and curved surface is called the faces. Now edge. What is the edge? The segment forming the intersection of two faces is edge. Here the two face, one face and two face. This line, this corner, the corner segment forming the intersection of two faces. Suppose that this is two faces, this one face and this is second face. The segment formed. Here the corner is the edge. So in the cube there are how many edges? One edge, two edge, three edge, four edge. Four edge on the sides, four edge on the top. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and 4 edge in the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 12 edges. There are 12 edges. Right? Now next is vertex. What is the vertex? A point where three edges intersect. A point where three intersect is called vertex. The plural of the vertex is vertices. There are 8 vertices. This is the plural. The point where three edges. This is the first edge, second edge, and three edges. So this point is called the vertex. So how many vertex? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 vertices in the cube. This is the shape of cube. So there are 8 vertices in the cube. Okay. So in the 3D shape there are face, edge, and vertices. The face, edge, and vertices. Okay. You note it. Okay. Now we discuss some other three-dimensional shape. What are some other in which face, vertex, and edges? How many faces? How many vertex? And how many edges? In the other three-dimensional shapes, some more 3D shapes. That is, first is prism. Prism. A prism has two parallel congruent polygonal faces called the base. Is formed of prism is formed parallel congruent polygonal faces called the bases and connected by faces that are parallelogram. Congruent faces called base and connected by face that are parallelogram. That are parallelogram. Okay, we are seeing some example here of your face that is not okay. Now, what is the shape of the prism? In the prism, you can suppose as the shape of these types. Here, 1, 2, you can suppose this is the face, this is the shape of the prism. This here, one is the triangular face, that is base. It is also the triangular face, that is base, and 3, that is the parallelogram. Two bases, a prism on two parallel congruent faces. This is the two parallel, one in the below bottom and one is the top, and this is the side face. This is the parallelogram. So this shape is called the prism. This is the shape of the prism. Okay. In the prism, there are 6 faces. Sorry, there are 5 faces. In the prism, in the triangular prism, it is the triangular prism. Triangular prism. In the triangular prism, faces, that is 5, and edges, that is how many edges? 3, 3, 6, and in the 3, that is here 1, 2, and 3, 5, and edges, that is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, that is 9 edges. And how many vertices? 1, 2, 3, and 6 vertices, that is 6. This is the shape. Now we join. This is the shape of the triangular prism. Here this is top is the triangle and bottom is also a triangle. Bottom is also a triangle, and this is the front face on 3 sides. Here is also a face, here is also a face, here is also. Okay. Now a cylinder. A cylinder is formed by two parallel congruent circular base and a curved surface. Base, two parallel congruent circular base and a curved surface. That is connected to base. Okay, so this is the cylinder. That is shape of the cylinder. Here one is the circular base and one is top of the circular base. That is two circular base and one curved surface. This is the curved surface. So how many faces? Here the faces 3, edge that is 2, vertex 0. Then 2 edges. Here the one edge and 2 edges. This is the vertex 0. Okay. Now next is pyramid. First you note it. You can write this is the shape of circle, shape of cylinder. Yeah, 1, 2, and this 3 faces. Vertex is here. Okay. Now we come on next. That is one more is in a pyramid. Pyramid is formed by a polygonal base and triangular face that meet a common vertex. Is formed by base and polygonal. That may be polygonal, that may be triangle, quadrilateral, heptagon, pentagon, that may be anything. Pyramid will form by polygonal base and triangular faces. And triangular faces that meet at a common vertex. That meet at a common vertex. Here, this shape. This is the triangular pyramid. It will be the triangular pyramid. It is the triangular pyramid. Okay. Here the shape base. Base is the triangular. Now it is this type. This shape. You see that. This shape is called the pyramid, in which the one common vertex, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 vertex and 4 faces. In the triangular pyramid, there are 4 vertex and 4 faces, and 3, 6 and 9 edges. Okay. Next is given as, what is the next? A cone. A cone is formed by circular base and a curved surface. Curved surface that connects the base to a vertex. That connects the base to a vertex. The shape of this is the cone. This is the circular base. It is the circular base, and this is the curved surface. Okay, this is a cone. Okay. Now we will discuss the front view and corner view. Front view and the corner view of cuboid or cube. Now we will show the front view, corner view, or this is if we show we take this and this. Now this is the front view. If your distance is equal, then you find this equal distance. Okay? that is equal distance. Now this is the front view. Okay, and again the corner view. This type of the dot, triangular dot paper. This is called the triangular dot paper, and that is the square dot paper. Now corner view of the corner view of the cube. Draw a corner view of the cube size 2 cm. You will solve. Draw a front view of the centimeter cube. Draw a corner view of cube with a square base side 1 cm, length 3 cm. You can solve the exercise 9D. Okay. So, dear student, your exercise 9 that's are completed. Now, in the next exercise, we will discuss what of the review test. Okay, thank you. Good day.